Awesome news para sa lahat po ng mga magte-take ng exam from Iloilo. Kung kayo mag-e-exam sa Iloilo Testing Center, meron po tayong walk-in dyan from March 26 to 28 sa Regional Office, Fuentes, Corner Ledesma Streets, Iloilo City, Iloilo. Dalhin niyo po ang kompletong requirements. Number one government-issued ID showing your date of birth. Number two, certified true copy or CTC of any of the following school documents. Pwedeng A, transcript of records or TOR. Letter B, diploma. Letter C, certificate of graduation or COG. Number three, magdala ng 2 identical copies ng passport-sized colored photo showing yourself wearing a white shirt with a white background holding a name tag showing your first name, middle name, and last name. You also have to bring 1 Liga-sized white window envelope with 21 pesos worth of postal stamps and pangbayad po na 400 pesos exam fee. Kung wala po kayong postal stamps, may nabibili po niyan sa regional office. Tandaan, hindi tinatanggap ang NBI, barangay at police clearance bilang ID. Join our 15-day final coaching course from April 7 to 25. That's 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. para kayo na ang susunod na hashtag NAPOLCOM Passer.